Hello, how are you? If you ever wondered how many 1/3 ounces, I sell mine for $10 hollers on my website. You click the link below for the $10 hollers. But the ounce bottles, we all know those. I hope you know the ounces. But the ounces are on my website too, because they are the big fat jumbo roll-ons. But the 4 ounces, I offer this 4 ounce bottle for $65. But I'm wondering how many 1/3s can you get out of that? These are my 1/3 bottles that I sell. That's how they look. I do the rigid ones. But let's see. This right here is just water because I'm not going to pour on my oils. I started to bring like at least 12 or 15 ounces to see, but we'll just pour them. And what I'm going to do is just dump the water ones, this in this bucket. So we got 3. That's 3 of them. And we have this much to go. So that's 3. I'm doing it like this because I want to see. How many 1/3s can you get out of it? 3. That's 6. And that's 9. This is how much we got left. 9, 10, 11, 12. And they're all filled up. They're all filled up. Just have water in them. They're not oil. Looks like my mix, or it looks like something like a Gucci Guilty, right? Clear, but it's not oil. So that's 12. Then we got a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Hope you can see it. 12. 12. Not quite. Might get a little dram out of there. But what I would do is I would just give it away for samples. But that's how much you get. You get 12. So 12 is a dozen. So you get 12 1/3 ounce bottles. Try to do mine. 12 1/3 ounce bottles. They're right here. Try to put them here. You can see them. 12 1/3 ounce bottles out of a 4 ounce. So even if you wanted to sell the oil, because a couple of people are like, oh, how much do you charge for this size? Retail, I charge $65 for these. And if you wanted to even sell it, like buy this, like say you said, oh my goodness, I love Cantaloupe, I love Gucci Guilty, I love Bob Marley. You know, whatever you're feeling. I love opium, I love Kush, I like to smell pussy. You know, I like, and that's an oil by the way, because it is. Another one would be like Coach Floral or Jimmy Choo. You know what I mean? $65. But look, you could sell them though. You could sell it. And I charge $10 for my sizes. Maybe you charge $5. But still, you get 12 out of here. 12 1/3 ounce bottles. Now, if you sell yours for $5, then, you know, you could do the math. But I sell mine for $10. That's $120. That makes the 4 ounce. Even if I paid $60, I'm still making my money back. Am I? Yeah, making my money back. A little bit of my money back. Or you could just kind of stretch it if your customers are used to a stretch, but mine aren't. So you get 12 of these out of a 4 ounce. I always wondered that too. But either way, you're still making money. You pay $65. Or you could buy a cheaper oil and, you know, charge $5, or a cheaper oil and charge $10. But this is my cantaloupe. That's my cantaloupe. And it smells just like cantaloupe. And I love it. One of my customers was like, oh my God, the smell of cantaloupe makes me nauseous. But I see what she's saying because it's rich, it's pungent. Like when you cut a cantaloupe and you smell that first whiff of the lope, like that smell, if you like cantaloupe, that orange, just imagine a cantaloupe smell. It's just how this oil smells. It's cantaloupe. $65 for my 4 ounce. You can still make money off of it with these 1/3 ounces, $10 a piece. Or if you ask lady outside, which is me, I say charge more. If you're paying $65 for a 4-ounce bottle, charge more for your 1/3. The oil will be in there. Don't cut it or anything. Just give it to them straight up, and they're gonna love you for it.